Most people make this mistake. They cook the rice, leave it in the fridge, and the next day it's dry, clumpy, and kind of sad. So what they do? They throw it away. But today I'm going to show you something different. Because that leftover rice, that is the secret to making one of the best dishes you will ever make. And once you try this, you will never throw away leftover rice again. So let's get it started, shall we? First, let's talk about the most important ingredient, leftover rice. Fresh rice is soft, moist, and slightly sticky, which sounds good, but for fried rice, it's a disaster. It clumps together, turns mushy, and you lose that nice texture. Leftover rice, on the other hand, has had the time to dry out in the fridge. So, if you have got rice sitting in your fridge right now, you're already halfway there. Let's quickly go through what we need. Leftover rice, eggs, garlic, onion, and some butter. I don't add any proteins except eggs for this, but you can add chicken, beef, pork, tofu, or any other protein you like. This is one of those recipes where you can improvise. Use what you have and just don't overthink it. Before we start cooking, let's get everything ready. First, break up your rice using your hands or a spatula. You don't want big clumps. You are aiming for loose, separate grains. Crack your eggs into a bowl and set them aside. Next, grab an onion and slice it up nice and thin. For the garlic, you want it finely minced. I usually use a food processor. Just add the garlic cloves with a bit of chili flakes and blitz it. If you don't have one, you can use a mortar and pestle or simply chop it as fine as you can. Once everything is prepped and ready, this dish comes together in just a few minutes. Get a pan or wok on medium-high heat. Add a bit of oil. Once it is hot, add the onions. You should hear that sizzle immediately. Cook for about 30 to 40 seconds. You will see they become golden brown. Now, add the garlic paste. Again, cook them for about a minute. Don't burn the garlic, just reduce the heat and keep it medium-low. Now, add the butter. It's going to melt quickly, so stir it thorough and coat the onions and garlic. Now, butter isn't typical in fried rice, but trust me, it adds an incredible taste and aroma to your fried rice. Next, add your rice. You start mixing it with everything in the pan, making sure it's well combined. Turn the heat up to medium-high. You want the rice to actually fry a bit, not just warm up. As you toss it, you should see the grains staying separate, not clumping together. That's exactly what we are looking for. Now, it's time for add the eggs. Push the rice to one side of the pan and pour the eggs into the empty space. Scramble them quickly, then mix them into the rice while they are still slightly soft. If you're adding in protein like chicken or shrimp, this is the perfect time to throw them in. Now, add a pinch of salt and some red chili flakes and mix everything well. Toss everything together. At this point, it should already smell amazing. Now we are almost done cooking. Turn off the heat and add chopped spring onions on top. Give it one final mix. And that's it. Simple, fast, and way better than plain leftover rice. Look at that. Each grain of rice is separate, nothing mushy, nothing soggy, just perfectly cooked fried rice with a spice kick and buttery aroma. This is next level. So next time you have leftover rice, don't throw it away. Turn it into something amazing. Try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. And if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.